really just thought I recorded a whole little segment and it wasn't even recording. I hate this freaking camera. Manifesting a new one. Manifesting a new one. Hey boo, it's Ashley Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. It's a vlog, it's a vlog, it's a vlog. So you already know it's a different little type of setup. I literally just finished packing up pretty much everything for my trip that I'm taking to New York. It is about 8:50 right now and I am literally leaving my house in about probably like 2.5 hours, if that, to go to the airport because my flight leaves at 12:55 a.m. LA time and I will land in New York at 9:40 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's been a lot going on. I'm tired. I'm about to take a quick little nap and then I will wake up, shower, and call my Uber so he can come get me. Hopefully we don't have no problems like we did last time. If y'all remember, if you know, you know. So hopefully we don't have those same problems with Uber because I don't have time to be missing my flights, okay? Because the next flight probably won't be until 6 or 7 in the morning and ain't nobody got time. Nobody got time for that. So I'm just trying to make sure I have everything together so that I can do that. I'm really tired. I did not get much sleep last night. I had an unexpected visitor. I don't know if I want to tell y'all who came to visit me because I don't think I'm going to tell y'all because this is like a really, really sensitive thing. But I had a lot of fun, but then there was like a lot of stuff that happened. But overall, it was a really good time. But you know, there was just a lot of things that happened. So I ended up staying up late last night or whatever. And today was pretty chill. You know, I work from home. Like I said, I still ended up having a great time with the person who came to visit me. So overall, it was a great weekend, but I didn't have time to pack and get things ready because I was spending time with them and just showing them around. And we were just, you know, out having fun. Being grown, living our lives, honey. So yeah, I'm about to finish that. The next time I will come back, either I will be getting ready to get ready to go to the airport or I will be there or in my Uber. So y'all see me soon. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So I'm showered, dressed, did not take a nap, period. And I'm about to weigh my luggage to see if, you know, it's under 50. I think it's gonna be slightly over, but I've had times where it was like 53. You know what I'm saying? My luggage was like 53 pounds and they still let me slide. So I feel like if it's like 50 point something or 51, they should be cool with it. I'm flying JetBlue. So this is my first time flying JetBlue, right? I'm flying JetBlue, this is my first time. And I did not know that you could not have a carry-on bag. What? What is that about? See, this is why I try to stick to Delta because you don't have these problems. I can't have a carry-on bag, so I fit everything into my luggage. I did weigh it right before I put like a little bit of extra items that I needed to put in there after I took a shower, like my body wash and stuff like that. So we about to weigh it again so we can get the hell up out of here, okay? Because you know, we're not missing our flight this time. We are not missing our flight. So here's my luggage. I got this little thing from Amazon. We're gonna try it out. Got it hooked up. Oh. Larry, it's hard to do. So my little portable scale says that I should be okay. So I'm about to call my Uber, y'all, and I will let y'all know when I get there. Because again, we're not missing our flight. We about to head to the airport. All right, y'all. Here go a little fit check. This is what I'm wearing. I'm a little socks, my Pumas, some leggings, and my Boys in the Hood shirt. I actually got this from New York the last time I went, so I'm rocking that to the airport. My little top knot bun, and let's go. New York, here we come, baby.
For items and seat back pockets. We'd like to thank you for your cooperation. We hope that you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe during this time. It has not.
So I landed. I'm here in New York. I'm waiting for my baggage claim, and then we're about to head on the air train. And after that, we're gonna get on the Long Island Railroad so that we can get to Penn Station to get to the hotel that is a life pack. If you are coming from JFK or anywhere in New York, you wanna try to use the air train and any of the other public transportation because it's really easy to get around and that is much better than spending $100 on an Uber. And y'all know we don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. If you saw my other New York vlog, you kind of saw a little bit of that, but I'm actually gonna show you the whole process. Okay, so I finally got my bag. I'm on my way to the airplane right now. So before you know it, we're gonna be in Times Square, downtown, well, midtown NYC. So I'm just so ready to get there, y'all. I'm so tired, but I can't check into my room until later, so it's really no point in me even, I don't know. I just need to wake up so I can like really get started with stuff. The day is going a little weird. So I basically lost my freaking keys. Well, didn't lose them. I threw them away by accident at the airport because the backpack that I took with me as my personal item, it was messed up and shedding everywhere. So I had an extra bag in my bag because, you know, I plan on buying stuff. So I knew I was going to have 2 check bags when I came back. Go back to LA as opposed to one when I came to New York. So when I get my check bag or whatever, I switch all the stuff out from the backpack into the other bag, and then I forgot to check one of the side pockets, and that had my key, my house key, my mailbox key, my key fob to get in my building. So I mean that can be replaced, so I'm not tripping about it, but it's just an inconvenience because I know I'm gonna have to pay some money for it. So yeah, not cool. But I did go to my hotel. I was able to leave my bags there at the hotel before check-in, so that's good. I don't have to carry stuff around. And now I'm just venturing off in the city until it's time to check in. I just picked up some pizza, so you know you got to get that as soon as you touch down in NY. And yeah, I look a hot mess right now. I probably won't get my stuff together until after I check in. So right now I'm just eating and trying to think of if I need anything, like from the pharmacy or something. I can't think of anything, but definitely about to eat. So even though that happened with my keys, I can't change it. You know, it can be replaced, and I'm not gonna let it ruin my trip. There's nothing I could do about it. I made a mistake. Now I have to pay for it, but it's something that could be replaced, you know. So this is just like a lesson that when things happen, you can't let it just ruin your day or ruin your time. If it can be replaced, move on and learn from the experience. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It is, let me see what time it is. It is 5:05 and I am getting ready to leave the room. Hold on. I'm getting ready to leave the room. I'm going to show you guys a tour, a room tour. I've already unpacked a little bit, so you know how I do. I gotta make sure I got everything ready so I can just go through my outfits and everything is organized, and it also helps me to keep track of things so that I don't lose them. So let me just give y'all like a real quick story about what happened to me, okay? Y'all, so
When I went to the airport this morning, I had a backpack and I had my big suitcase. I flew JetBlue, didn't know that they don't allow carry-on. So I had to use my backpack as my personal item / carry-on. I don't like that, but that's what they do. So the bag that I had is old and it's tethered and it's worn, and once I got to the airport, I really realized why I haven't been wearing this bag and why I need to throw it away. Because where it was at in my closet, it was on the floor, and I was thinking, why is this on the floor? But I think it's because I was supposed to throw it away. It wasn't like the throwaway giveaway pile that I was doing in my closet, and I just ended up not doing it. So it was like shedding, and just like parts of it was getting everywhere. So I had brought an extra bag that I usually take as my carry-on bag. I put it in my suitcase because I know I'm gonna buy stuff here, so I was gonna end up checking 2 bags to go back to LA when it's time for me to leave. So once I landed and I went to baggage claim and I got my suitcase, I opened it up and I took out the extra bag so that I could dump all the contents from the backpack into that bag, right? And I threw that bag away. I get on the air train. From the air train, I get on the LIIR. While I'm on the LIIR, I realize that my keys to my house are still in my backpack that I threw away at the airport. I get off the LIRR, I walk over to my hotel, I give them my bag because I decided it was too much for me to just carry my bags back, and it was just too much for me. Sorry, my contact is bothering me. It's been bothering me since I put it in. Oh gosh, it's always this eye. I don't know what it is, but I'm suffering. I am suffering. So yeah, I get to the hotel, I call my brother. My brother has my spare keys. My brother's all the way in Phoenix. So I'm thinking, oh, just send me my keys. It'll be cool if I gotta pay like a little fee. It is what it is. Then I realized, girl, how you gonna get in the building? And then how you gonna check your mail if you don't got your keys to get the keys that he's gonna send you? Like, that didn't make sense. So then I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna call my apartment building, and then I'm just gonna ask them what I need to do to have a new set of keys. This will be great because I'm not gonna be there for another week, so they should have my stuff ready for me. I called them. They're talking a ridiculous amount of number that I just felt like wasn't worth it. So I decided, after I ate my 2 slices of pizza from Two Bros Pizza, because you know you gotta do that, I'm like, all right, it's like 12 o'clock because I got here mad early. So it's 12 o'clock, so let me just go back to the airport. So I literally go back to Penn Station, get on the LIRR, get on the air train, realize, because at Two Brothers Pizza, I realized I did not have my card. I guess my wallet with my physical cards, I left in the bag that I put at the hotel that they, you know, held for me. So I just used Apple Pay. So once I get off the air train, you basically, how it is when I got off the LIRR, to go to the air train, you pay, you have to get a Metro card, and then you have to put money on it. And then I realized, oh shit, you can't do Apple Pay with that. So I basically talked to one of the guys that worked there, and I'm like, look, they have my wallet at the airport. I just came here from LA today. I'm just going back to my wallet. Can y'all just let me through? You know, I'm gonna pay when I come back through. He let me through. So then I go to the exact place, JetBlue, the exact carousel for baggage claim, and I go to the exact trash can, and y'all, I saw my backpack. I opened the side and I saw my keys. So I got my keys back, y'all. Woo! Y'all, this is all that I did today, okay? Like, literally crazy. I come back through to go to the air train, and this lady just comes up to me and she's like, hey, do you want my Metro card? I have 2 more days of unlimited passes. Do you want it? I said, hell yeah, I'll take it. Because I had put $40 on my Metro card that I had. I still have the same Metro card from the last time I came here a couple of months ago, and I put $40 on it. But she got unlimited rides. You could do a lot more with that. I don't even know how she did that. That's what I was trying to do. So I'm kind of mad that I need to figure that out. But it's too late now. I already done put $40 on it. It is what it is. I'm just gonna rack her shit up today and tomorrow. So then I just end up going through. I basically like jumped, you know, through to go to the air train or whatever. And yeah, so then I came back to the hotel. They checked me in like 30 minutes early. I'm on the 10th floor, nice little queen room. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I was on the phone with one of my dear girlfriends, and she's going through it with a guy. So that's kind of why I didn't get out earlier, because, you know, I just wanted to be there for her, listen to what she had to say, you know, be a listening ear. And we was on the phone for like 2 hours. So now I'm about to give y'all this room tour. So when you come in the door, see, there's the door right there. So when you come in, this is the first thing you see. Again, guys, I've already unpacked, so please beware. But I took the ironing board out of the closet, so that's why that's sitting there. So we're gonna go to the left. So you see the bathroom, but before you get to the bathroom, we have this closet space right here. And as you can see, I've already put things in the closet because y'all know I gotta make sure everything is organized. So cute little regular closet. I like it. I think it's nice. Has a safe. And let's go into the bathroom. All right, so this is just an overview of the bathroom. Now, I like this bathroom better than the last one only because look at this. Look at this cabinet space. Y'all see how I got everything laid out? Everything. Okay? Everything. So I just got my shirt on from Shein and these Zara jeans, y'all. Little bit, my little chains and whatnot. And I put my hair in a ponytail. So yeah, so this is the bathroom. I love the counter space. I have everything there. Some stuff there. Stuff there. Everywhere. This is the shower. I've already taken a shower. And yeah, I feel like this is the really bootleg room tour because it's dirty already. So there's a little seat here. I thought this was so cute for some reason. The TV's mounted up. You know, we got the BET. You already know how I do. I'm gonna watch cable and I'm gonna watch BET. Period. It's probably never gonna change channels. And then here is this beautiful desk, drawers. I have already filled the drawers up with all of my stuff. And y'all see, got my shoes. Here's the air conditioning unit. Window. I thought this was so cool. This is like a sign. That is the University of Alabama Crimson Tide. That's their logo. And that's a big thing for me because my family is from Tuscaloosa, Alabama, where that school is located. So when I saw that, I said, oh, that's just like little signs from the universe that you're in the right space. So here is my view, y'all. It's just a street view and it's cool. I really feel like a New Yorker. Dead ass. Like, look at this. Your homie on the next block. What's up? You know, that type of vibe. So here's my bed, my beautiful big queen size bed. And I have 2 side tables. Again, y'all see I have already put stuff everywhere. And this beautiful wall. I love this accent wall. I love the decor in here. I think it's really cute. And I'm staying at the Hilton in Chelsea Fashion District. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, I don't know if I told y'all the last time that I came to New York, I had went on a couple of dates or whatever. So I plan on doing that again, you know, because it was really cool to meet people. So one of the guys that I went on a date with, we have stayed in contact and we're supposed to be meeting up today. We were supposed to be meeting up earlier, like he literally was about to come to Chelsea before I had even checked in my hotel because I was like out eating or whatever. He was going to come and meet me, but I ended up having to go back to the airport. So we're probably about to meet up and do like a happy hour or a dinner, or if not, if I don't meet up with him, I'm going shopping. I'm doing something. So I'm about to get out of this room and I will be taking you guys with me. Let go.